capacitor?
The flux capacitor, or is this the flux capacitor? I think this should be the flux. I think this is.
That probably is, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Easy.
I mean, are we talking basmati or jasmine?
You know, somewhere in between. I like it. That's looking kind of rice grainy.
Isn't it?
I think so. I'm pleased with that. All right, so your cooler's there. Remember orienting that broken tab.
Yeah, the broken tab is over the phase coupler.
Yep, exactly. That's what the instructions.
Just like bolting down a V8 head.
Put that move on. Are you all talk or? You're kind of ruining the light here.
All right, here we go. Here we go. All right.
I think you got it.
I heard 4 distinct clicks.
So did I. How does it look on the backside? Oh, those are in.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah.